Kidney disease is a growing concern worldwide, affecting millions of people. While various factors contribute to kidney health, diet plays a crucial role in preventing kidney disease. Incorporating specific nutrient-rich foods into your daily meals can support kidney function and overall health. Here are the top 5 foods that can help prevent kidney disease and promote kidney health. 1. Fatty fish. Examples: fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney disease, so consuming foods that help manage blood pressure is essential for kidney health. Omega-3s also reduce the risk of developing heart disease, which is often associated with kidney disease. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are high in vitamins A, C, K, and folate, and they are rich in antioxidants. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Folate, in particular, is essential for DNA synthesis and repair, which can help maintain healthy kidney cells. 3. Berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. These components help protect kidney cells from damage and reduce the risk of inflammation. The high antioxidant content in berries also helps combat oxidative stress, a factor that can lead to kidney damage over time. 4. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Garlic can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, which reduces the strain on the kidneys. It also has natural detoxifying properties that help the kidneys filter out toxins more effectively. 5. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is high in vitamin C, folate, and fiber. It also contains compounds that help neutralize toxins in the body, which supports kidney function. The fiber in cauliflower aids in digestion and it helps prevent constipation, reducing the workload on the kidneys. Additional tips for kidney health. In addition to incorporating these kidney-friendly foods into your diet, consider the following tips to support kidney health. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help your kidneys function properly by flushing out toxins. Limit sodium intake. Reduce consumption of high-sodium foods to prevent high blood pressure and reduce kidney strain. Opt for fresh foods over processed ones, which often contain high levels of sodium. Monitor protein intake. While protein is essential, excessive amounts can burden the kidneys. Consume moderate amounts of high-quality protein, especially if you have existing kidney issues. Avoid processed foods. Processed and packaged foods often contain high levels of sodium and unhealthy fats, which can negatively impact kidney health. Conclusion: preventing kidney disease requires a comprehensive approach, with diet playing a pivotal role. By incorporating fatty fish, leafy greens, berries, garlic, and cauliflower into your meals, you can significantly reduce the risk of kidney disease and support overall kidney health. Alongside a balanced diet, staying hydrated, limiting sodium, monitoring protein intake, and avoiding processed foods are crucial steps in maintaining healthy kidneys. Always consult with a healthcare provider or a nutritionist to tailor dietary choices to your individual health needs and conditions.